Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Sam, back with another video. Let me just say one thing to you. Meditation doesn't work. Meditation doesn't work. Wait, hold up, Sam. Why are you saying meditation doesn't work when every other fucking self-improvement YouTuber is saying meditation works and it's imperative for mindfulness and it's imperative for this and it's imperative for that. It's an imperative for everything, right? Let me explain, right? In my mental model, meditation does not work. I feel like a lot of these self-improvement YouTubers will say meditate, but they don't exactly explain what to do when you meditate. I meditate. So it's kind of like this is like paradoxical. It's like you're making a video called meditation doesn't work, but you meditate. It's dumb as shit. But listen to me. The way I meditate is I meditate with intention. I do not take 30 minutes. I don't take 10 minutes. I don't take 20 minutes. I don't take however many minutes it would take for you to meditate and think about, oh, what am I doing? Oh, I feel the weight in my chair. Oh, I feel my body, sink into the chair. It's like, bro, who cares about that, bro? Yeah, sure, like, if you clear your mind long enough, you'll feel your body start to go numb and all these things. Yeah, I understand that. But the only thing I really need to meditate for is to do the work. I don't meditate for meditation's sake. I don't meditate to meditate. I meditate to be mindful. I meditate with intention. I meditate to do the work. I do not, what's that word? Productive procrastination. I do not engage in that bullshit. I have to meditate because the only time I really meditate is right before, say, I record a video. I'll just sit here. I won't fucking sit here in a fucking pose and just be like, It's like, no, I don't do that bullshit, bro. I don't have mantras. I don't have affirmations. I don't have any of that bullshit. All I do is I sit down and I think, right? Because what is meditation? If you think about say when someone's on court, someone on court trial for murder and they say premeditated murder, it just means, all it means is this nigga thought about how to murder this person. I was premeditated. You think the guy was sitting there with monks like, I'm gonna murder this dude? No. You need to understand that, like, meditation in the sense of shit does not fucking work, bro. Unless you're a monk, unless you want to go to fucking Tibet and live with the monks and meditate like that, that's when meditation will work for you. But literally all I meditate for is mindfulness. The amount of mindfulness. Literally all I meditate for is the amount of mindfulness to do the work and to move the needle forward as much as I need to for that day. If I'm feeling bad, if I'm feeling run down, if I'm not feeling the day, as you always will, there will always be days where you do not feel like doing what you need to do. I literally just sit down and I think about doing the thing that I need to do. And if I think long enough, and that doesn't have to be 10 minutes, it doesn't have to be 5. I can usually put myself into that mode of, let me do the thing, and you do the thing, and the thing is done. So that's why I say meditation doesn't work. You need to meditate with intent. Never meditate without intent. I think this is going to be a very short video, but anyway. This is Sam Torreno. This is another video by Sam Torreno. Signing out. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Peace.